Today, we'll be solving LeetCode 15, 3-sum. This is a classic problem where we are given an integer array and we are asked to return all the unique triplets that sum to 0. The goal is to find all combinations of three numbers from the array such that the sum of the three numbers is equal to 0, and no duplicate triplet should appear in the result. Let's break down how we approach this. First, we sort the input array. This is important because sorting helps us efficiently skip over duplicates and use the two-pointer strategy, which is the core idea in this solution. Next, we iterate through the array using a for loop, with the index I starting from 0. At each index I, we treat the value at that index as the first number of our potential triplet. Then, we set up two pointers, left and right. The left pointer starts at I+1, and the right pointer starts at the end of the array. We use a while loop that runs as long as left is less than right. Inside the loop, we calculate the sum by adding the values at index I, left, and right. If this total is equal to 0, it means we found a valid triplet, so we add that to our result list. Then we skip any duplicates by moving the left and right pointers past any numbers that are the same as the current ones. If the sum is less than 0, that means we need a larger number, so we move the left pointer to the right. If the sum is greater than 0, we move the right pointer to the left to reduce the total. We repeat this process for all elements in the array. However, it's important that we skip duplicate values of I to avoid duplicate triplets in our result. This solution uses sorting and two pointers, and the time complexity is O of n squared, where n is the length of the array. That is because for each number, we potentially search the rest of the array using two pointers. This is a very useful pattern that comes up often in interview questions when you need to find combinations or pairs that meet certain conditions. And that's how you solve LeetCode 15. Thank you for watching and let's keep learning.